So a little update on the Caddy. So what I've actually done today, well not today, actually yesterday should I say, is I fitted the diesel heater to the van, and what I'll do is I'll show you where I've done it and how I've gone about it. So as you can see, it's in behind the driver's seat. Just got it right under here. You can obviously see the fuel filter there, and then down the back we've got the fuel pump, which is free hanging on a cable ties, thanks to Mel at as a Big Van Small World YouTube channel, who recommended doing this to reduce any of the noise throughout the van. And then I've got the external hose coming out, and it's coming up to there to produce the heat, also the external diesel tank there, which the reason I'm going for that is I'm hoping at some point to put some red diesel in it. There was the option of trying to put it behind the passenger seat, but unfortunately I've already got a leisure battery in there, so this was the only option that I had. But I'll take you underneath so you can see what it's like. So this is underneath the van, and you can see where it's coming out. So we've got the fuel pump that comes out and then goes back in. We've got the air intake, which is actually going really high up into here. I don't have a ramp this now, so I can't really put it anywhere else. And then we've got the exhaust that comes all the way out to here. The final part of this was to then cover it in a proper sealant to ensure that it doesn't cause any sort of a corrosion or damage or anything like that. So as you can see, I've just pretty much plastered it all over. Now it's time to demonstrate the diesel heater working. So we'll switch it on. You might start to hear it down here. I'll come back to you when it's doing some more work, but as you can see up here, we'll plug this on. So 10:17, let's see how long it takes to fire up. Now the fuel pump's starting to engage. You can hear it ticking a little bit. You might hear it starting to build up momentum now, which is good. Now it's 10:20 and it's starting to pick up pace. The only reason I've got the controller down here just now is I'm not really sure where to place it. But yeah, it's starting to really build up, and the ticking sound's starting to go away. Fantastic. 10:21, and that's it, running full power. Can't really hear the fuel pump at all, just the fan that you can hear. So yeah, that's the demonstration of the Vevor 2 kilowatt diesel heater. Hey guys, so as you can hear the fan working in the background. You see the controller here. So what would I say about it? I mean, I think it was actually quite difficult to install as a single individual doing it. Two people without a doubt would make it a lot easier, but there was only me to do it, and the weather was on my side at the time. The hardest part was trying to get the heater through the I cut them, holes in the floor. So it was very much be under the van, check where it is, move it slightly, then check again, and keep doing that until I got in. It was like maybe an hour and a half worth of trial and error until I got it. And then once I did, I fitted the plate initially, then screwed it so it came all the way through, then removed the plate, applied the heatproof silicone to to the base plate and around the exhausts I did take, and then put it all back down, then sealed again around the base plate, or the mounting plate should I say. Left it 24 hours, then the next day I applied a different kind of sealant, which is more rubberized but also heat proof, waterproof, everything proof, black sealant around it, which you'll probably see in the video. And that's it, and it is roasting in here, and it's only been running for about 5-6 minutes, so I'm very happy with it. So now I'm just going to switch it off and go on with some work. So yeah, thanks for watching. I forgot to mention this little controller, which is great. So you can pretty much, I'm sure you can switch it on. Let's see. Okay, let's go for 21. Nice. Not really sure what it does. I'm going to have to read the instructions more, I guess, on this. I will.